Hi Amber, nice to meet you earlier. So I've made a few changes, hopefully it's what we discussed. So we're splitting the rail and all of these heights are adjustable. That dress I think is, yes, it's 1.5 metres from the rail centre to the floor. Gives you some idea of what we've ended up. That is about 90 and I think that is about 60. These aren't positioned exactly where you'd want them on the vertical, but I'm showing 3 shoe racks, so that will be 6 pairs of shoes altogether you could get on there, 2 large baskets and 2 medium baskets. That's probably more than, considering the distribution of these could be improved. I think that's enough to get started with on there. If you want more, I can do that at a later date. These shelves are extending all the way along, and there are 4 dividers on that first flat shelf. I haven't shown one up that end. Obviously you could move one of these. Again, I think 4 is a reasonable number to start with. If you want more, I can send you more. I think that's about it. I think that's a decent starter kit for that room. I'm going to send you these pictures now and probably do the price and the sort of 2D drawing tomorrow, but if you could comment on this video if there's anything there that isn't right, it'll help me get the price more accurate early tomorrow. Okay, thanks a lot, bye bye.